Hey guys, this is Mayankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add accessibility shortcuts on your iPhone. So what are accessibility shortcuts? Accessibility shortcuts are the different buttons that you can access by the control of the home button of your iPhone. This is specifically designed for the iPhones that have Touch ID sensor. So if you are using an iPhone 8 or an iPhone 8 Plus or any previous iPhone with an Touch ID sensor, then you can use the accessibility shortcuts on your iPhone. So what can you do with the accessibility sections? Then the accessibility shortcuts will be activated. Let us see how you can customize these and you can add these on your iPhone. Go to the settings app of your iPhone. In the settings app of your iPhone, go down to the accessibility options. In the accessibility options, go down and the accessibility options, go down in the accessibility shortcuts option. Here you can find number of options that you can select from the triple click of the home button. You can add different options that you can use from. Right shortcuts. There are different options like assistive touch, background sounds, increase contrast, color filters, color invert, and many more. You can also change the way of their layers are available on the iPhone. What I'm going to do is select the magnifier on my iPhone, which means when I triple tap the home button of my iPhone, then the accessibility of the magnifier will be activated on my iPhone. Let's see how you can do that. Let's go back to the home button and then triple tap on my home screen. You can see the magnifier is now activated. This way you can customize more different accessibility shortcuts on your iPhone and use them variously. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel and also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content. Thank you.
Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never